The closed alpha is over and I'm nearly done resolving the feedbacks. So 1 week from now, the open alpha begins. There are lots of new stuff since the previous video, so let's start with the new main menu. I think it's a good start, but it still needs some improvements till release. There are some buttons in the bottom right corner for bug reporting, for feedback, and of course one for wishlisting the game on Steam. Of course these will be removed after release, instead there will be only a combined bug report feedback button. And now that we are talking about wishlisting, if you could hit the wishlist button on Steam, it would really help a lot. So, link down below. Clicking on the play button brings us to the level selection. Well, this is only just a placeholder because currently it's just a linear system where completing a level unlocks the next. But everybody is different, so every level's perceived difficulty is different for everyone. And getting stuck on a relatively early level isn't really fun. So I plan on making a level tree in a separate scene, where levels can have multiple requirements, and you earn stars based on how well you've completed the level. And if you've earned at least 1 star on each of the required levels, you can unlock the level for 2 stars. This system is much more flexible and greatly decreases the chance of being stuck with progressing. In the in-game scene, the UI changed a bit. The buttons became a bit smaller and their layout is no longer symmetric. There are smaller buttons on the left for leaving the level, bug report, feedback, and then later on, for example, one for opening the settings. On the right, besides the restart button, there is a pause button as well. And levels no longer automatically start. Players can observe the level, and when they feel that they are ready, they can manually start it with the play button. With these buttons on the UI, an escape menu is no longer needed, so it got removed. Another new thing is the scoring panel. The old one was a bit too simple and boring. This new design clearly shows the required points to unlock the next level. It also looks much better and more alive as it fills up with points. When you reach enough points, it turns gold, and after that further layers are started, showing how well you overperformed. And the last big change is models, or modos, I don't know. So there is now a feedback, a bug reporting, and an exception reporting model, which helps getting feedback and fixing issues. And also the end panel or model got a bit prettier. There is the fancy new score component which fills up to your score, and there is also a button for loading the next level if you've unlocked it. And what do you think about these changes? Let me hear it down below, and also feel free to share your own ideas. If you'd like to be a bit more involved in the development, like voting on stuff, etc., or just get in touch a bit more personally, join our Discord server. Link in the description. And as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, because they are a great source of feedback regarding my videos. And of course, don't forget to wishlist Regrowth on Steam. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.